You cannot upload to their cloud. That means you can record a meeting or a webinar directly to their cloud. If you want to record a meeting or webinar, edit that video, then you can't upload the edited video to the cloud. This is to test a workaround. This video here would be the original recording that you would edit. Then what you would do is you would start a Zoom meeting only with yourself. You would do a screen share, start screen sharing this video, then start recording that meeting that is showing this video, and that would be recorded to the Zoom cloud. So that way you get the edited video up into your Zoom cloud, and where you can allow your people to see it or download it or charge for it or whatever else you want to do. We're going to be using this video to try to do that, just to see if it works. This is all conceptual at this point. I've never tried it before. We're going to end this stream, use it in another meeting that will be uploaded to the Zoom cloud, and then I will post the link to that meeting so that people can see the